Subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for notification.
Okay guys, I'm all set to leave for the ride. So let me show you in a quick that the things I'm going to carry with me all the times for a long drive. So these are the things I'm going to carry. Bungee ropes and these boxes, all the GoPro accessories and nail cutter. This is my extra camera. This is Nokia inside. Panasonic LS2 cover. This is my helmet and tripod, sleeping mat or yoga mat, campaigning tent, knee pads. This is extra knee pads for Prashant, the guy who's riding with me today. And this is the bag I used as a tank bag. This is the travel bag for my clothes and laptop, back support, my riding jacket and shoes. So okay, let's begin the ride. It looks like the weather is inviting us to enjoy the ride very comfortable way. Isn't it, guys? Okay, I'm just refilling my bike with full tank. My tank capacity is 15 liters.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the roses?
Okay, Prashant is here. Huh? Ready? Okay, Prashant is here. We both are riding on this ride.
Now, don't hold it in too long.
Very cold.
'Cause you might
The day is very cool today, so we are not going to rush up, going very smooth. Right now we are near to LB Nagar, so we are little bit late. We had some other work. Actually we are 2 hours behind the schedule, so actually we have to be here by 3:30. Here at LB Nagar crossroad, but cause of some issue, some work actually, we are late. So LB Nagar crossroad. The traffic is very high here, 20 kilometers from the city. So we are at the outer ring road. So we are just gearing up completely. So we don't want to stop again for the any stops. Ready? So he is Prashant. He is my childhood friend. So we both are traveling together today. So this video is going to be a little bit longer, from the starting of the journey to the end of the journey. So maybe half an hour or 1 hour. I'm not sure on that. You will only come to know only after the editing. So stay tuned for the complete video. Don't miss. Okay, Vijayawada is more 260 kilometers and it's 4:30 or 5. I'm not sure on that. And we are just crossing the outer ring road. Actually my speedometer is not working, so I'm going to count on his bike. So this is the first toll gate when you are riding from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. more 220 kilometers from the first. Okay, this is the first toll gate in our ride from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. So from this toll gate, it is more 220 kilometers to Vijayawada. So these are the two bikes. So this is the first break in our ride. Those all are chumma. This is to eat something in our ride. So more 195 kilometers to Vijayawada. So most probably we are going to stay in Vijayawada tonight. Maybe. Guys, this is the second toll gate in our ride from Hyderabad. So more 162 kilometers to go to the Vijayawada. Maybe we expected to reach by 10 o'clock. Let's see. We are going very slow. Average 50, not more than that. Safety first. This is the last toll gate to enter into Vijayawada and more 40 kilometers to go. Everything is as good as of now. Vijayawada now. Hello? Huh? So that's Vijayawada Kanakadurga temple. We have just crossed to Vijayawada and we have done 30 kilometers. 30 na? 30. We have done 30 and 30 more to 30 from Vijayawada. Oh, 30 kunna inka 30 undi. 35. So more 35 kilometers to go to Machilipatnam. So it's 2 o'clock. We didn't have our dinner. So we are having some roti and egg bhuji now. It's 2 o'clock. Okay guys, finally we are in Machilipatnam and it's 2:14 in the morning, 2:41 a.m. But the climate is very cool from the beginning of the ride, so we don't feel much stress while riding. So we are searching for the hotel. So once we are checking, we'll fresh up and we'll go to the sunrise point and we'll come back and we'll take rest. That's our plan as of now. Okay guys, we are finally in Machilipatnam by 3 a.m. in the morning. So there are around 5 hotels, so we have searched all of them. So we finally only the hotel available in the night with AC fitted. So it's too late for us to sleep, so we have to go to the sunset view.
Sunrise view,
So it's 15 kilometers far from here. The name called Manigina Pudi beach. It's 15 kilometers far from here. So only 2 hours left for us to go to the sunrise view. So let me show you around the room which we got tonight. A TV AC bed, our stuff. So we are going to sleep, and on the way we had a roti with egg bhuji curry. The egg bhuji cost was 40 and chapati was 5 rupees. It was nice. That's the only available in the night. Deeku lega tinnam.
Cheppu, there are no dhabas after
Yeah.
Vijayawada, Cheppu.
Yeah, actually there are no dhaba available from Vijayawada to Machilipatnam. So that's the only stall available in the night. So we just had 5 roti with egg bhuji. So if you are planning on the way, just have your dinner or lunch. Good night for now. See you in the morning. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back with another day. This is the second day of our ride. So we got this room by 3 o'clock and we slept by 5, and now it's 12 p.m. So we have slept 7 hours. So in riding you should have a good sleep to ride. So now we are going to the beach. It's 15 kilometers, so we are not going to carry anything. We'll go and we'll come back in 2 hours, then we'll back on road. Okay guys, see you on the way to the beach. తిప్పు అది బండి అయితే. Okay guys, this is the hotel which we are staying. It's very hot outside. It's 1 o'clock. RR Bhavan. We are going to take only one bike to the beach and less luggage. Okay, we are finally at Manganipudi beach. We are just 10 kilometers far from our hotel. So finally we are at the beach. Two GoPros at the same time.
అరే మంచిగా రాకపోతే నేను కొడతారా
Okay guys, we are heading back to Machilipatnam and then we are going to Draksharamam. By riding on the coastal way, we are going to cover Amlapuram, Palakollu. I'm not sure on that. So on the coastal way we are going to do that. By tonight we are going to stay in Draksharamam or Rajahmundry. Anything can happen on the ride. So it may get delayed, it may get fast. So I cannot confirm you on the route. Okay, we have spent around half an hour here, but the water is very salty. Anyhow, ocean water is always salty. Yeah, ocean water. We have expected seafood here, but unfortunately nothing is available. Only pani puri and soft drinks. Some bhaji. So in Chennai, it's very. I'm missing Chennai. I was there in Chennai for 2 years,
Every day I have to eat this.
and that is the lighthouse. We are not going to visit now, so it's getting late for us. So we have to get to the room and fresh up. You have to hurry up. खाना अभी खाना है. Checking out the hotel, and we are going to have dinner, lunch. We are going to have lunch, then back on road to Draksharamam. If possible, we go to Rajahmundry. Okay, we have packed everything. So back onto the road. So we are going to have lunch. Sai Baba, Jai Shri Sai. We have went right side from here to Mangapudi beach. So we are going to take left from here to Draksharamam and other. Nelusundati. Guys, if you are planning to visit in winter, this is the best times to spend your valuable time. In winter, those all will be the crops, so it will be more greenery. You get a best shots. Bike, don't go hurry. Just take your own time to spend some time on your routine day works. So we are more 130 to go Draksharamam. Look at the view at my back. It's very awesome, and it's getting sunset. It's 5:30, I guess, and we have more 132 right. And it's time to take a break for us. Narsapur is more 14. So more 90 to Draksharamam. So
అన్న టెంపుల్ ఏ టైం వరకు ఉంటుంది?
Draksharamam temple time. It's 7:30, guys, and we just had 1 plate idli for me and 2 plate idli for Prashant. So more 90 to Draksharamam. Actually, the Draksharamam temple will be closed by 8 p.m. So what we have decided is we'll go to the temple and we'll campaigning there. So if we are feel, we'll go to Rajahmundry. Okay guys, it's time for us to have some dinner.
అటు సైడ్ ఉందిరా పాండ్ అని చెప్పి అటు సైడ్ చూపెడుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ సైడ్
we are done with the Draksharamam. So in half an hour we are going to start to Rajamandri. Rajamandri is more 43 kilometers to go, and we had our breakfast. Last night we got this room for 700. It's not good, it's okay. This is the only room available in the night. It's look old. Look old kaadu. It's an old one. Yeah. How is it, guys? Bathroom, beds, AC. Okay, that's the main temple that we have just visited now. Okay, we are exiting now Draksharamam and begin the ride to journey of Rajamandri. Look at the crowds. More 20 kilometers to go, and we have stopped here to take some pictures. ఏమైంది అంతేనా వైజాగ్ కాదు మచిలీపట్నం ఇట్లా Here coconuts are very cheap. It costs you around 15 or 10, not more than that. Costs 300 for two of us. The last destination Rajamandri, and by tonight or in the morning we'll be reaching Hyderabad. It's 450 kilometers. Maybe we are expecting to reach by tonight. So if everything goes as scheduled, bye. So Prashant is going to refuel now. So have to take U-turn and then we have to go through the bridge to Vijayawada. So, and Prashant is topping up his fuel. I am done with my air. So back on road.
I heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of the place this.
Andhra, Pothrekulu is famous, so I am just taking 2. Huh? I got the 3 packets, each cost 50, so it's 150 per person for me.
I heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of the place this.
Guys, it's very hot and it's 3 o'clock and still we have to do 300 to reach back to Hyderabad and more 45 to Vijayawada. So we are going to reach Vijayawada by 1 hour. So there we are going to visit okay, that's a railway bridge. The station is somewhere the other side. So it's just 2 kilometers, not 2 kilometers exactly, just 1.5, not even 1 kilometer. Just we have to take U-turn from there to the temple. So we have a limited time, so we are going to make it soon and we'll back on the road. So it's getting sunset now and we have only 2 hours until the sunset. So we have to be on the highway so we can ride easily before the sunset. Hello. Actually the route was closed, so where we can ride our bike up to the top, but another route which takes 1 hour to the temple. So we are not going to do that with these luggage, so we are heading back to Hyderabad. See you some other day. Okay, it's recording and we are going into the tunnel. It's not a big
I
tunnel.
heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of the place this.
So that's the tunnel. If you take pictures from the long distance, it will the best click of you. So look at the highway from Vijayawada to Hyderabad. It's the best route, NH65.
I heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of.
Fourth toll gate to ride to Hyderabad. So more 3 to go. This is the second toll gate and more 2 to go. My additional lighting, right side light button and the other one left side will be the left side button. Because of these 2 additional lighting, the battery is getting impacted, so I'm not going to use regularly or when the bike is stopped. I'm going to use it only when on when we are riding on the way. Do on my additional lighting, so you can find the difference. It's one, the other one. Yeah, you can find the difference, right? Nice song, huh? Right now we are in Suryapet. More 150 kilometers to go just, and we'll be making in 2.5 or 3 hours. So we are moving slow and steady, having a dinner. It's too early. It's 8 o'clock. Not too early. It's okay. Right time to eat. And moon ride. You can also call it moon ride. And almost in Suryapet, feeling good and just now refreshed, and we have ordered a few roti and chicken. Back on the road, and food is not okay, so if you are riding on this road, just try to avoid it. Those are just my thought. Okay, back on the road.
What you see, listen as it tells you.
This is the third toll gate,
Please, this
and one left to reach Hyderabad, and more 120 to go. So we need to enter into Hyderabad. Last toll gate. In the video over here, and we have entered Hyderabad. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And the ride details are available in the description, the route map, how to reach. So if you want to visit, just go with the below details. And if you have anything comments, just comment down below. I'll update on that. I just wanted to say something, that he rides Unicorn and I ride Pulsar. So we have covered around 1000 or 1200, not sure. So it doesn't need a high value bike. You need any bike, but it depends on the rider and the bike. It depends on how you ride. So guys, if you are riding, so be safe, ride slow, enjoy every moment, and follow traffic rules. See you in the next vlog, guys. Bye.